Cure for Bruxism is a program introduced to help people fight against bruxism. Once a bruxer himself, his aim is to help people succeed in curing this disease, where the normal methods of treatments failed. If you long for putting an end to the grinding of the teeth, or if you prefer your natural teeth to a night guard before going to bed, this is the right place to be in. The program provides a detailed procedure that can minimize bruxism in an individual. Aim of the program. The program is meant to provide a one-time solution for all types of bruxers suffering from normal stress-related grinding and clenching of teeth to the most advanced ones who has been fighting against this disorder all through the years. Being a part of this program, which besides providing a step-by-step procedure for fighting against bruxism, would help one in understanding the various aspects of the disease. Some aspects covered by the program are mentioned below: identifying the real cause for bruxism, recognizing the relationship between one's sleeping posture and the problem, analyzing the impact of herbal remedies, ascertaining the 3 health supplements that could aid the body in fighting the disease, becoming skilled at press clench exercise, gaining knowledge of the one major practice that guarantees to stop the unintentional clenching and grinding of teeth during sleep, providing insight to other exercises that would help in completely recovering from bruxism. Stop grinding your teeth tonight. Click here. Stop Bruxism Info Proco.